What's up, everybody? Andrew here with the Medellin Living Channel. We are on the road again, and we are headed over to a penthouse in Provenza that we have listed. I'm excited to go look at this one because it's supposed to be really nice. It's been completely renovated. It's a great investment opportunity. I saw the numbers. Let's go check this one out. All right, we are here. All right, so we're walking in here. Oh my God, the first thing that I notice is how big this place is as far as, look at this. Beautiful high ceilings here. Open up right into this open kitchen, which is also integrated with the living area. And we'll look at the view here in a second. But we'll go over here into the kitchen. And it is actually, from what I'm told, this is the first time I'm going through. It's about 4 floors because it's got like a terrace up front, or it's up top. This is the view over here. Look at this. It's 175 square meters, guys. We're on the 11th floor. Provenza. This is probably the coolest street that you could live on in all of El Poblado and Medellin, arguably, because it is walking distance to Provenza. So this is perfect for lifestyle and also investment. This would have a very high occupancy rate, I can tell you that right now, just because of the location. Here's the first bathroom over here, which is a social bathroom, but it is actually a full bath. Look at this. Yeah, this is a beautiful remodel job that they did. Let's go up the stairs now that we saw this first floor here. These stairs are really cool too. Look at this. This is all textured wall. You can tell the amount of work and thought that went into redesigning this apartment. So here we're on the 2nd floor, and I'm assuming, yeah, this is the master here. Look at this. So the master also has a view overlooking Provenza here. Right there. Big king size bed. And the bathroom here. Double sink. Big shower, double shower, 2 heads up there. And the closet. Walk-in closet. A lot of space. You're gonna go over here. What I really love about this apartment is the fact that you've got a lot of space to work with if you wanted to, let's say, make an extra living room. For example, this is another bedroom here. Look at this. All right, so yeah, this is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, or sorry, 3 full baths, because we saw one of the full baths. Oh my gosh, I was walking. This is the shower. Look at that, it overlooks the bedroom here. Very cool finishing. Look at the toilet. Beautiful. Let's take a look outside, which I think is the biggest selling point, is that you basically have a lounge area here next to your own jacuzzi. Look at this. And the jacuzzi has a view, guys. Look at this view here. But we're not done. This is the 3rd floor. We're gonna go up here. Look, there's little access to the terrace up this way. Let's check this out. Yeah, so look at this. You have even more space to put whatever you want here. You've got the condenser units for the split units here. And you've got all this area here. And again, you still have a beautiful view of Provenza. All right, guys, let me know in the comments what you thought about this one. Would you live in it? Would you rent it out? I mean, look at this. It's amazing, right? It's a great selfie, actually. Overlooking all of Medellin here. If you're interested in this one, you want to take a look at it, there's a link in the description below. Click on it, fill out the form, and somebody on my team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next one.